please also have now Dr. Sumit Shinde, who would be talking on child psychology and rehabilitation with us. Dr. Sumit Shinde.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sumit Shinde, an occupational therapist and developmental pediatric occupational therapist by profession, managing director of Child Rehabilitation Center, managing director of Child Learning Center, proprietor at Stress Management Center, and president of Child React Foundation. Let me come to the topic. There are so many nice so many icons are sitting over here and listening to us. I would like to talk about my profession because there are many professions are well known and many professions are have good awareness in the society. I would like to talk about occupational therapy. What is occupational therapy? Occupation is a function. If any function, if it is distorted or it gets affected in any personal or in any person because of some disability or because of some genetic dysfunction or because of some surgical intervention, then these disabled people should go back to their normal function. और अगर ये normal function को वापस independent state में लेकर जाने का काम जो करता है वो है occupational therapy. Occupational therapy is the leading rehab profession in all over world. Now coming to my work, being a managing director of Child Rehabilitation Center, after graduating from GS Medical College, KEM Hospital, I had a primary goal to work in India as due to I had seen my parents had struggled in my brother's rehab because of he had some issues in early childhood development. So that was my motivation factor to come into this field, and so as to goal to work on excellent services of rehabilitation in India and to create a system in India itself where 12% children are suffering with various developmental, genetic, medical disorders. So with the primary practice with various centers, primary practice in various centers, schools and hospitals, and lots of experience I gained, I started my first child rehabilitation center in Navi Mumbai in 2009. To start with the one-man army in early days, I just focused on what I can give back to the society with my best knowledge and skills I had developed in my experience. With the necessities and possibilities, we worked on various problems came across in our work. We converted all those problems, we found the solutions on the problems, and we converted those problems into the opportunities, and we started spreading our services to the various parts of society. Today, Child Rehabilitation Center is a well-known and biggest child development and treatment center in India with its 10 branches all over in Maharashtra, and biggest team working as a multidisciplinary team with a scientific approach working on developmental disabilities. We are catering more than 4,000 kids, or we have so far catered more than 4,000 kids in last 10 years with learning disabilities, autism spectrum disorders, developmental disabilities, and children with genetic disorders. Parents come from various parts of India and other countries to seek the treatment from us, and proudly would like to say that so far we have treated more than 3,000 children successfully and helped them go back to the society. क्या आप सबने तारे जमीन पर यह मूवी देखा होगा जिसमें एक ईशान अवस्थी को ट्रीट करने के लिए एक निकुंब सर अपने 6 महीने लगाते हैं? ऐसे ही तकरीबन 2000 से ज्यादा ईशान अवस्थी को वापस उनके एजुकेशन फील्ड में लेके जाने का काम चाइल्ड रिहैबिलिटेशन सेंटर के टीम ने जो 60 से ज़्यादा प्रोफेशनल हमारे साथ काम कर रहे हैं, तकरीबन 8 साल से ये काम किया है, और ये एक बहुत बड़ा शिव धनुष हमने उठाया है टू वर्क इन दिस डेवलपमेंटल कंट्री लाइक इंडिया. Today, due to lack of awareness in the society about developmental disabilities, many children are not able to cope in regular schools and show early dropouts from education. To serve them and to help them go back to education, our sister branch, Child Learning Center, is well established in one of the oldest and well-known school called DES High School, situated in the heart of Mumbai, where the children coming from various strata like Dharavi, Chunabhatti, Sayan, Pratiksha Nagar, and who are not able to get the services of various rehab services. So we are working on more than 450 kids in DS High School, and proudly would like to say it is one of its own kind of multidisciplinary approach inside the school that we are providing. It's first center, multidisciplinary center inside the school. Our Child React Foundation, our services should not be catering to the only high socio-economic strata. So we have found the Child React Foundation, where R for rehabilitation, E for education, to provide education to the developmental dysfunctions, to create awareness about developmental disabilities into the society, C to give care to the developmental dysfunction parents or families and children, and T for treatment, to provide treatment to all the different types of dysfunctions in the society. Our future goals of Team CRC are to develop a well-defined early intervention-based child development and treatment centers in India, where minimum 1 lakh population का जो भी शहर है वहाँ पर एक well-defined child development and early intervention center होना चाहिए. वो cater करेगा तकरीबन 12% disability को, जो अलग अलग dysfunctions, अलग अलग problems के वजह से होती है. To develop a well-defined nurturing system for people who are suffering with the terminal and profound disabilities, जिनको घर में उनकी ट्रीटमेंट नहीं की जा सकती या उनको केयर नहीं किया जा सकता, तो ऐसी एक सिस्टम क्रिएट करना सोसाइटी में, ताकि वो बच्चों की ट्रीटमेंट और उनका केयर प्रॉपरली वो शेल्टर हाउसेस में होना चाहिए. और जो एक सबसे बड़ा बर्डन होता है, कि अगर एक फैमिली में अगर कोई सिक हो, तो अगर कोई बीमार हो तो सिर्फ 1 या 2% अफेक्ट होते हैं, लेकिन अगर कोई बच्चा डिसेबल्ड हो तो पूरी फैमिली अफेक्ट होती है. और अगर वो डिसेबिलिटी बहुत प्रोफाउंड हो तो वो पूरी फैमिली आगे नहीं बढ़ पाती. तो ऐसे बच्चों की ट्रीट करने के लिए, टू डेवलप अ वेरियस शेल्टर हाउसेस, वी आर प्लानिंग टू मूव अहेड to create a well-defined system in the developmental country like India, where every person with disability will receive opportunities to see the different colors of the life by providing them equity and equality, by empowering society with a right approach. We also want to create opportunities of employment to the highly educated parents who opt to leave their jobs due to disabled child in the family. We have come across many families, many mothers and fathers who are highly educated, who are highly qualified, but they leave their job because of the child's dysfunction or disability, or to take care of the child. ऐसे बच्चों की ट्रीटमेंट के लिए पेरेंट अपना पूरा करियर दांव पे लगा देता है, और बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स को मैंने देखा है कि वो अपना करियर छोड़ के like PhDs, masters are leaving their careers and then they are staying back home. तो ऐसे पेरेंट्स को एक घर पर ही उनको एक कुछ ऐसी एम्प्लॉयमेंट सिस्टम क्रिएट करना, बिकॉज द डिजिटल मीडिया एंड आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस अगर आ रहा है आगे, तो ऐसे पेरेंट्स के लिए अपॉर्चुनिटी क्रिएट करना, ताकि वो बच्चों को, अपने बच्चों की बाद में जाके इकोनॉमिकली ऑल्सो ट्रीटमेंट या इकोनॉमिकली उनको सक्षम बना सके, या वो फैमिली इकोनॉमिकली सक्षम होए. If we say there is, my request to the government, अगर 12% डिसेबिलिटी है अगर सोसाइटी में, और अगर एक 0.5% पोलियो के लिए अगर गवर्नमेंट ने इतना बड़ा अभियान निकाला था, तो ऐसे पोलियो जैसा अभियान हर एक डेवलपमेंटल डिसेबिलिटी को राइट ट्रीटमेंट मिलना या उनको प्रॉपरली केयर मिलना या उनका अर्ली इंटरवेंशन होना, और ये अर्ली इंटरवेंशन होने के वजह से वो बच्चा जितने जल्दी ट्रीट होगा उतना जल्दी हम लोग उसको सक्षम बनाकर उनको सोसाइटी में इंटीग्रेट या इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं, ताकि वो बच्चा एक सोसाइटी का सक्षम पर्सन बन सके. आई एम थैंकफुल टू द साइबर मीडिया फॉर बिलीविंग इन अस and giving opportunity to talk in front of you all. Ultimately, when I started my education, I read one line on the first page of the book: you give a man a fish, you feed him for a day, but you teach a man how to fish, you feed him for the life. So my child rehabilitation center is not just giving the fishes to the children, but we are empowering the children, empowering the parents, empowering the teachers, and we are empowering the society to help every disabled person to be an efficient member of the society. I would like to thank my family who always helped me in my mission. I would like to thank my brother who is the biggest critic of my life, who always helped me to be on a good path and helping me understand what right and what wrong we are doing. I am very much thankful to my kids who taught me more than the books in terms of dealing with children. Atharva, Arya, my wife Reena, my father and mother, my brother Sushant, and least and last, I would like to I'm very much thankful to my team, Dr. Saumil, Dr. Veena. They are the stands, they are the pillars of my organization. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Moving on, we have our next category for contribution in special child rehabilitation program from Maharashtra, and the winner is Child Rehabilitation Center. Please welcome Dr. Sumit Shinde on stage to receive this award. Many, many congratulations to you, and thank you so much for doing such fantastic work.
And then these three people, this guy, these three will go. Abhi, हाँ.